Have you ever stopped to wonder who's really working behind the scenes in your garden? Beyond the obvious beauty of flowers and the satisfaction of homegrown veggies, there's a hidden world teeming with life. I'm not talking about you, your watering can, or even your compost heap. The real magic makers are much smaller and often go unnoticed. I'm talking about the tiny garden guardians, all those insects most people ignore, or worse, fear. These little creatures are the unsung heroes of every thriving garden. But here's a secret. Without them, your garden would collapse almost overnight. Plants would struggle, pests would take over, and the soil would lose its life. Most folks think of insects as pests, chewing, damaging, ruining all the hard work. But that's only half the story. The truth is, for every pest, there are dozens of beneficial insects working to keep your garden healthy and balanced. The real magic happens under the leaves, between petals, and in the soil, where an invisible army of beneficial insects is busy protecting and building your garden's health every single day. Let's meet a few of these unsung heroes and discover how they help your garden thrive. First up, the predators, the security guards of the garden. These insects hunt down pests before they can do any real damage. Ladybugs are absolute warriors. One adult can eat up to 60 aphids a day, and their larvae are even hungrier. They also snack on scale insects and mealybugs. If you spot curled leaves or sticky sap, you've seen aphid damage. But if you see a ladybug, that's nature's own cure at work. Lacewings are next. Their larvae, known as aphid lions, devour hundreds of pests each week. Aphids, mites, thrips, whiteflies, you name it. They're relentless and efficient. And don't forget predatory mites, microscopic guardians patrolling leaf undersides, taking out spider mites before they can wreak havoc. They're especially helpful in greenhouses and on houseplants. Whenever you spot one of these, you're looking at protection, not a problem. Encourage them to stay by avoiding harsh chemicals. But it's not all about the hunters. Pollinators are just as important. Pollinators like native bees, hoverflies, and butterflies are responsible for over 70% of the food you grow. Without them, fruit and seed production would plummet. Hoverflies are incredible double agents. The adults pollinate while their larvae destroy aphids. They're gentle, effective, and easy to attract. And then come the decomposers, springtails, millipedes, ground beetles, soil architects who turn dead leaves and organic waste into rich, living earth. They break down material, recycle nutrients, and keep the soil loose. They loosen the ground, unlock minerals, and make your soil come alive. Earthworms, too, are vital partners, aerating the soil and improving drainage. So how do you recruit your own tiny workforce? It's easier than you think, and every gardener can do it. Start with insectary flowers: dill, yarrow, marigold, borage, cosmos, sunflowers. These provide nectar and pollen for beneficial insects all season long. Add a shallow water dish with stones. It gives pollinators a safe place to drink. Even a small saucer can make a big difference. Skip chemical pesticides, because if something kills pests instantly, it almost always harms the good guys too. Instead, use organic methods and let nature balance itself. And grow a diverse mix of plants. It builds resilience and balance. Different plants attract different helpers, creating a strong ecosystem. The smallest creatures can have the biggest impact. Take time to observe them. You'll be amazed at what you find. Beneficial insects don't just improve your garden, they transform it. They're nature's engineers, and your garden is their masterpiece. With their help, you'll see healthier plants, fewer pests and more blooms. Ready to garden with nature, not against it? Start today and watch your garden come alive with tiny heroes. Hit subscribe, share this video, and let's celebrate the secret garden guardians, one tiny hero at a time.